This is the exacttrades.com movers report for October 14th, 2011. First, we're looking at NAV. You can see we're gapping up here. Last is at 41.50. It's been as high as the 42 area. I'm going to look to short this off the open, back into the gap. Look for a break to a new low from the open. Take it short. You could start with a half position, wait for a bounce, and look for that lower high or for it to hold the highs, and then add to your position. Then it should set a new low and then break down further. First profit target is going to be about 41 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 82 cents. Watch 40 for possible support, and then 39.60, those two areas. I'd be pretty patient with your last piece if you're still up in this area around 40.50, and try to get that 40 and possibly 39.60 area. And next we have YOKU gapping up this morning as well. Last is at 22.65, has been up around 22.90, and you see resistance level here at 23.25. We're going to look to short this into the gap as well. Watch for it to open and break to a new low. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 22 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 44 cents. I think you could see some support around 22. If it moves back down before the open, I would say below 40. 45 probably. If it moves down below 45, then I would pass on this short. If it stays up here above 45 in the 50 to 65, maybe even higher, then go ahead and look for this to short off the gap on the open. Again, watch for this 22 for support. If we break through 22, could come down into 21.50. Next we have GMCR. Last is at 94.36, gapping up this morning. You can see we're coming into resistance levels here around 95.60 and 96.80 area. We're going to look to short this off the open on a new low. First profit target is going to be about 94 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $1.88, so close to 2 points on your second profit target. Watch this 92 as possible support, and 93 right in here. So those two areas are going to give some support. I would try to leave a piece to break down below this 92, especially if we get some selling in the market or breakthrough support. Could come down into 90 area. And now we're looking at REDF. You can see had a gap up here around 8 earlier this morning, so right about there. Since then it's pulled back, and the last is at 773. I would only take this long over 8, so 802 or 803. Look to take this long. If it stays down below 8 on the open, just be patient and set your alert just under 8, and then take it long over break over 8. If it gaps over 8, then you're good to go on the long. First profit target is going to be about 8 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 16 cents, and then move a stop on your last piece. I would try to get up into 850 possibly. I think that there's some good money in this trade on the long side if it can break out over 8. And next we have RES. Last is at 1991 right there, gapping right into this resistance line. I would take this long over 20, let's say 2004 area, 2005. First profit target is going to be about 20 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 40 cents, and then I'd trail a stop and try to get 21, possibly 22 if we get a strong day and we're trending. And our last trade is NCMI. Pretty large gap down this morning. We're already starting to bounce. Last is at 11.45 here. Has been as low as about 10.25. We're going to look to take this long off the open on a new high. Give it a few minutes to open, see what it does. It could sell off a little bit off the open. If that happens, just set your alert at the open or just under the open. Wait for it to move back up, possibly break through that open and take it long. First profit target is going to be about 12 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 24 cents. And I would try to keep at least half of it past your second target. I think there's a lot of money in this trade to the long side, and you can get maybe 5, 6, 7%, maybe even 10%. So try to be patient with more of your trade. Get ahead on it, lock in your profits, and move your stop to protect yourself, but try to be patient because I think there's a lot of potential in this trade on the long side. The more it gaps up, moves back up into the gap before the open, then I might trade a little bit smaller position. But even up past 12.50, I still think there's good upside potential into 13.50 area. So again, it's a lot of money. Just be patient, wait for it to break above the open, take your targets and then be patient on that last piece and try to get the most profit you can up into 1250, possibly 13 area. So those are the trades for today. We've had an awesome week. I hope everyone's making a lot of money. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.